Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today at the drill press with the Taylor Toolworks drill press sharpening system. So I did something dumb today. I dropped two plane blades on the concrete. So I figured, what an opportunity to demonstrate the sharpening system. So this one is a Stanley, made in England, that came out of my bedrock, number 5, C. So basically, I have this set at the lowest speed, and I wish it could go slower, but it can't. And I don't have a large table on my drill press. And it's not bolted down, so it might vibrate a little bit. But it is what it is. So I have shimmed this unit so that it gives me a good square cut. And this is real time. This is life. I dropped the plane blades, 2 of them, so we've got 2 of them to do. And here we go. So I have the 80 grit on the bottom. I've got 120 on the top. I'm not going to be using the top because these were already flattened. So you start out low and then you slide up until it engages. I like to move it out towards the outer perimeter and then drop down and check my progress. So I've already got quite a bit that is flat. Start in. And I don't add any more pressure. Whatever the cutting pressure is the same as it goes all the way out to the outside. And I stop and drop down. Now, if you have a Sharpie marker, you can also mark it so you know your progress. You hold your blade up against the shoulder and down, and you have to make sure you keep it in against that shoulder. So you see, I don't have a burr yet. And remember, I've mentioned in the past that you want to keep that fine edge, but in this case, I dropped it on concrete, so I have to get past the damage, which is over here. As you're getting near the final stages, you want to stay in one place. So we don't have a burr yet, and it is getting a little warm. If you're careful, it will never get too hot to damage the tool steel. If you're overzealous, you may. Okay, I'm starting to get a burr on this side. But not on the damaged side yet. Now I'm starting to get a little bit of a burr. I'm going to stop with this one. And the other one I dropped was the IBC. This one took quite the hit. Off we go. Yeah, I can visually see where it engaged the concrete. I'm almost getting a full width. And I have found with my drill press, if I stand over here and come in, I get a better angle. I've got a complete bevel across now, but the damaged edge is still there. So let me try a different angle. Yeah, we're getting there now. So this is a great tool or an accessory to your drill press. If you want to get your 25-degree bevel on your chisels and then on your plane blades the same all the time. I really need to go to the diamond plate and get rid of the burr on the back to see if I've gotten rid of the damage. Yeah, see, now that's getting hot. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop this video, and I will do another video when I come back where we change the disc to the finer disc and the strop. So that's about all for right now. Stay tuned. Come back. There'll be more. Walter out.